Hi, everyone. Today, we will introduce you the study of independent buttons based on the 8051 microcontroller. As it is shown in the diagram, this is the independent button on the 8051 microcontroller. Next, based on a first button, we will proceed with the development. Let us explain the control of the independent button. Let's take a look at the effect first. Let's take a look at the corresponding code. Button function. Press to turn on the LED. Release to turn off the LED. After the previous example, everyone should have gained some understanding of the independent buttons. Let's use the following example to further enhance everyone's understanding of independent buttons. Here, we are debouncing the button by using a delay, because when a button is pressed, it can generate a bouncing effect. When the button experiences bouncing, the button value is red. During this time, the read button value is inaccurate. Let's look at the result. Function. When the button is pressed, the LED lights up, and even if the button is released, the LED remains lit. Pressing the button again turns off the LED. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.